Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I am gonna show you how you can generate AI images for free with Canva. So without wasting time, let's jump to it. First of all, open a blank canvas. Go to Canva elements over here, scroll down a little bit and here click on generate your own. Write your prompt over here. I have just write my prompt. Now click on styler. You have a lot of different styles for your images like dreamy, vibrant, neon and many more. I am choosing vibrant one. Now scroll down a little. Here you have different ratio options. I am choosing square one. Now click on generate image. Wait for a seconds. Yeah, our images are ready. Let's check these images. Zoom into full canvas. Let's zoom it more to check the quality of images. You get 4 different options. Let's check another one and zoom it. These are so HD and clear, and are in so detailed. The background, each and everything is just perfect. Let's place the image to the other canvas and zoom it to full page. Let's try another style for this image as Canva gives a lot of options. Now you don't need to spend your money on paid tools. This time I am choosing retro wave and clicking on generate again. Boom, your AI bunny is ready. Let's zoom it to see in depths. I love it. Let's check another one and zoom it. It's so amazing. The photographic background, depth details, and it's so clear. I absolutely love this Canva feature. Do you like this? Let me know in the comments. Click on share at the top left side and here click on download button to download your image and here select the page. You can download all of them once, but I am downloading just one image and yeah, it's downloaded. Let's check it. It's so wondering. Damn, if you like the video, make sure to share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more Canva tips and tutorials. Take care. Bye.